Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is Chinese dumpling soup. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of the ingredients. 4 ounces bok choy chopped, 4 ounces mushroom sliced, 1 cup chicken broth, 3 cups water, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 10 pieces frozen dumplings, about 10 ounces in total. These are store-bought. We finished the preparation. Now we're ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 400 degrees, which is high heat for an electric stove or a gas stove. I am adding mushroom, chicken broth, water, soy sauce with cover on to bring it to a boil. It takes about 4 minutes to come to a boil. It's been 4 minutes. It has to come to a boil. Now we're going to add the dumplings to cook for 10 minutes with cover on. Stir once in a while so that it doesn't spoil over or the dumplings do not stick to the bottom of the wok. It's been 10 minutes. All the dumplings are floating on the top. Now we're going to add bok choy to cook for 1 minute with cover on until the bok choy leaves are wilted. It's been 1 minute. The bok choy leaves are wilted. I just removed the cover. Now we're going to spread sesame seeds on the top. Serve hot. Enjoy.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.